Hey, Giovanna here, and I wanted to do a video for you today on something that I'm going to do for December, and it is using this advent calendar. Now you don't have to use an advent calendar, but it's just a fun thing to do. This one's $1.50 from Kmart, so they're not expensive, but it's just a fun thing to do for December. So it's kind of like a manifesting thing. What I want you to do is each day I want you to open up the day, obviously starting December the 1st, open up the day, eat the chocolate or give the chocolate to someone if you don't want to eat it, and then on a piece of paper I want you to write, just a little piece of paper, write something that you're grateful for. Get yourself into the attitude of gratitude. Write something that you're grateful for, and then what I want you to do is write. Now you can either do it two ways. So you can do it to try and manifest some money, or you can do it to just manifest something awesome happening. So you can be something you're grateful for, and then write thank you for the expected and unexpected money today. And you just write it on the piece of paper and leave it at that. Put it into the door that you just ate the chocolate from. So on December 1st, put it into the December 1st behind the door. Then when you do receive some money that day, or you receive something for free, or you'll find money on the ground, or you get given money, or anything happens, or you win a lotto, anything, receive money, any refund, get something free that you're going to buy anyway, get discount money off, take it out of that door, write on the back of it the amount of money that you got or what happened. If someone gave you a free coffee, you can just write someone gave me a free coffee. If someone paid for your lunch, you can just write paid for your lunch. You don't have to be like, oh, how much money was it exactly? Put it back into the door. And then on the 25th, so there's 24 days on this one. I think some of them do have 25. This one's got 24. Then on the 25th, you can open them all up and just have proof of how some of your manifestations have happened this month. And what I want you to do is when you pull it out and write on it, and firstly to say something that you're grateful for, and then you can either do the thank you for the expected or unexpected money today. And when you put it back in, I want you to just let go of any expectation. It's just a fun game we're playing. Don't put how much money that you want to receive. Don't be like, I have to receive $1,000 today, or it's not going to have worked. This is just a fun game. Let go of all expectation. If you don't want to do money, you can instead just do something that you're grateful for. Put yourself into the attitude of gratitude, and then do something like thank you for today being awesome. Thank you for something unexpectedly awesome happening today. It doesn't really matter what words you use. Use something that works for you. Let me let you have a look out there while I talk. Use something that works for you, but something that you just leave it up to the universe or the world, God, angels, universe, whatever. Like, leave it up to that and just play with this. It's just a fun game. We're just going to use our calendar for fun. Let's not be precious and about it and let go of any expectation of what's going to happen. But after something does happen that day, pull it back out of its door and write on it what happened. And let's just have fun with this in this December. Remember, today's going to be awesome.